Hey people, so I had begun speaking and then I realized I'm not recording it. So it's Valentine's Day and
I corrected her.
yeah, and we are in Forum Mall.
Don't
And
listen to her. Stop taking the credit.
okay, Ayush, and say something nice. See, this is how the shops look. It's so beautiful, and that's what it's fun to come here on Valentine's Day because he's my little Valentine.
I'm
And
not a
never
Valentine,
let
but
yourself
last
get
time I'm
cheated,
not a Valentine.
because in terms of there is this crystal shop that I would speak about that is on the ground floor, so grossly overpriced. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, it's just not. And no, what hurts is they try to make it seem like they are giving it to you at a major discount, but in fact it's just a rip-off. So that's what kind of hurts. So anyway, this is how the whole place looks. My son is here, and this is a lovely shop. So this is how it looks, and we are with Ayush, and it's already crossed a 1 minute video, and we are just on these escalators. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.